Hello everyone, thank you for joining me, and here we go with another video. This video is a little different from some of my other videos, but I think it'll be helpful for many people. This video is a tutorial, explanation, advice, and guidance on how to not only stay organized, but achieve success in school, in work, and with your personal and professional goals. My first step is going to be directed towards all college students, as I am a university student and currently have a 4.0 GPA while working 60 plus hours a week and taking care of my 89-year-old grandmother. The first step that I have utilized and that has really changed how much success I've been able to achieve, how much I've been able to get done, is to use reminders on my phone. What I do is at the beginning of the semester, I go through the syllabus and I look at everything that needs to get done. And I put the due dates for all the assignments, as well as make sure to detail which assignments are due on specific days. I highly recommend this because it helps you see what you need to get done and helps you have a better sense of the deadlines. My next tip for all college students and students in general is to, if possible, typically this is in online classes, but sometimes with live classes, you'll be given a week-by-week breakdown. What I like to do is print out the week-by-week schedule, and you can use that week-by-week schedule in order to see what you need to get done and then cross off what you need to get done once you've finished it. I like this because it gives you a visual schedule and helps you see what you need to get done and helps you make sure that you are keeping track of all your assignments. This is an extremely helpful tip, and I have been using this since high school. The next thing that I recommend is keep a binder for each class that is labeled, such as this is my art binder. You can see I have some art projects in there, but what I recommend to do is, of course, labeling the binder before you begin the class, placing notebook paper in the binder, as well as using either blank sheets of copy paper and just writing divider, or of course you can always use plastic dividers or even sheet covers. That works as well. And always making sure to file all your notes in your binder as soon as possible, trying to keep everything in order, which is difficult, of course, when we're all very busy, but it's very helpful to do this. The next tip that I can definitely recommend is to be engaged with your class. For example, for my educational measurement class, we have a group chat, and we can use it on the computer, on the phone, and we can communicate with each other about deadlines. Today I found out more specifics about my midterm, something that can always keep you in the loop. Another idea is to use Remind Me, and you can set up a class, and everybody can text each other, and it's helpful for group work, etc. The next tip, and this is one that many people forget, is to really check your email every single day, multiple times a day, because professors work all different schedules with their own families, and I highly recommend this.